Getting your first copywriting client is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, create a portfolio showcasing your best copywriting samples. After that, if you don't have any professional samples, consider writing mockups or creating content for fictitious companies to demonstrate your skills. Now set up a professional website or blog where potential clients can learn more about you and your services. Then optimize your LinkedIn profile with a focus on your copywriting skills and experience. Attend industry events, both online and offline, to connect with potential clients and other professionals in the field. Now join relevant forums and groups where businesses and entrepreneurs discuss their needs. After that, showcase your expertise by offering free workshops or webinars on copywriting. Now this not only establishes you as an authority in your field, but also allows you to connect with potential clients. Then create profiles on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These platforms can be a good starting point for finding clients and building your reputation. Identify businesses or individuals who may need copywriting services and send them personalized cold emails. Then highlight how your services can benefit their specific needs. After that, approach local businesses that might benefit from your copywriting services. Attend local business events, join local business directories, and offer your expertise to those in your community. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your work and engage with potential clients. Create valuable content related to copywriting and share it on platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram. Collaborate with other freelancers, graphic designers, web developers, or other freelancers who may need copywriting services for their projects. After that, building a network of collaborators can lead to referrals. So this is how you can easily get your first copywriting client.